I got my nails done. Hi guys, this is Panampally Nagar. It's one of the costliest place, expensive place. Has a lot of restaurants and cafes, see Subway, Kunafa, and Alibaba, Coco Tree. There's a lot of good stuff happening here. We are here to meet Rachel and Jaslof. Rachel is our dear friend, both of our friends, so let's go. Hi girl!
We had a
How do you gonna eat that?
with hand.
So hey guys, we are going to meet someone's best friend. So yeah, we are going to see Littu Achicha and Stephen Achichen and Steve-O. Yeah, so let's go. Arachu annekane.
Mahan. Good learning.
ഇതിനാണ് ഈ ചെക്കൻ കിടന്ന് ചാടണത്.
എടി കള്ളി.
കണ്ട 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 കാര്യം എന്താ കാര്യം എന്താ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇങ്ങനെ എടുക്കണം.
എടി കള്ളി.
എന്ത് കള്ളി?
ബ്ലോഗറാണ് ബ്ലോഗർ. ബ്ലോഗറാണ് ബ്ലോഗർ. അതിന്റെ മുടിക്കെന്ത് പറ്റിയതാ? കറയല്ലേ?
Night ride. This is called MG Road. We have a lot of park and universities, colleges and government guest houses. And this college and my college used to fight always. This is Maharajas and my college is St. Teresa's. So this is my college. We're going to Bangalore to meet somebody. As you travel, you can see who that person is. So let's go. Yes, we have started the journey from Kochi. Here we go. Few minutes we'll meet the person. Anyways, we're gonna meet
and praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
Going to Mysore Palace.
Bro, banana, Birkenau stroke.
That only you can say. Just like
Guys, off to our second cafe. Ooh. Which Becky is trying. No, I think it's very old.
Very old.
So yeah, second cafe, the Malgudi coffee shop. First cafe was which one?
Sapa, pastry and something.
Yeah, so here
Don't make it up.
is the second one. Guys, second person, Tabitha Finney.
Second person.
Yeah, morning we took a thing and introduced everybody to Becky.
Oh.
So, second person. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. We have Krishnan with us.
It was a very unforgettable day today.
Krishnan's sister.
Krishna's other sister.
We are one family.
They are called Earth Shakers.
Please subscribe Abel Philippos and
Thank
you
you.
can see the Earth Shakers. Chaya. ബെക്കിക്ക് ഒരു മാരേജ് ടിപ്പ് ഞാൻ തരുക. ചേട്ടാ മാത്യു എടാന്നൊന്നും വിളിക്കാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല ഇനി. മാത്യു അച്ഛ കേട്ടോ. ഇച്ചായ ചേച്ചി ചായനും പോട്ടെ, മക്കള് സൂക്ഷിച്ചു പോവേ. So this is our room. Ta-da! This is Blossom. We're heading out for dinner.
അങ്ങനെ ചിരിക്കുക.
guys, careful out from the bottom.
Cheers. I have 29 subscribers and Becky is the 30th one.
Rock, paper, scissors.
FOMO. Becky ki FOMO. Tabu win.